Look at the screen in front of you. The man in front of you, he is missing. His name is Dane Stevens. He is from Jackson District, Bogwalk, and he was last seen about a week ago, Monday, at about 5:15 p.m. He was in that area seeking work. He is dressed in a black polo shirt and blue, gray, and white pants. This matter was reported to Constable C. Lewis at the Sligoville police station. The complaint is also mentally ill. One more time, I'm calling on the people them out there in the public. If you see this man, his name is Dane Stevens. He is mentally ill. He was last seen in the Bogwalk area. He's from the Jackson District in the Bogwalk area. He was seen about a week ago Monday at about 5:15 p.m. He was trying to seek work. He was dressed in a black polo shirt and blue and white pants. This matter was reported to Constable C. Lewis at the Sligoville police station, and Mr. Dane Stevenson is also mentally ill. Please people on Jamaica first and out there, if you know where this man is, please contact the Sligoville police or 119 or contact me, countryman. This is my friend, uncle. So please, we're looking for the help. Thank you very much. Countryman, I'm out.